Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we gonna study mathematics about sequence and series. Before we study about it, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramadan Bagas Triwibowo from class 1C, and my name are 112301700000102, and I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. So let's study about sequence and series. The lesson objectives. The following presentation and collection of research will focus on students developing the skills to achieve the following. The first, the definition of sequence. The second is the definition of series. The third, the difference between sequence and series. And the last, exercise. The first lesson, the definition of sequence. Definition: a sequence is an arrangement of any objects or a set of numbers in a particular order followed by some rule. A sequence is a function whose domain is a set of real number symbolized by n, and the range is a subset of real number symbolized by r. Generally, we can write as follows: a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub n. For the example, the first example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, is a function from n to r, which formula is dot element of n. The second example, arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which next term obtained by adding its previous term with a number called difference. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, is arithmetic sequence with first term is 3 and the difference is 3. For the last example, geometric sequence is a sequence in which next term obtained by multiplying its previous term with a number called by ratio. List of some basic formula of arithmetic progression and geometric progression are: sequence for arithmetic progression, a plus d, a plus 2 times d, a plus the quantity n minus 1, the quantity times d. For the geometric progression, a times r, a times r to the power of 2, a times r to the power of n minus 1. Common difference or ratio. For arithmetic progression, successive term minus preceding term, common difference, symbolized by d equals a sub 2 minus a sub 1. For a geometric progression, successive term divided preceding term, common ratio, symbolized by r equals a times r to the power of n minus 1 divided a times r to the power of n minus 2. General term. For arithmetic progression, a sub n equals a plus the quantity n minus 1, the quantity, times d. For a geometric progression, a sub n equals a times r to the power of n minus 1. Sum of first n terms. For arithmetic progression, s sub n equals n over 2, the quantity, times 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1, the quantity, times d, the quantity. For a geometric progression, s sub n equals a times the quantity 1 minus r to the power of n, the quantity, divided 1 minus r, if r lesser than 1. S sub n equals A times the quantity r to the power of n minus 1, the quantity divided r minus 1 if r more than 1. Now, the second lesson, the definition of series. Definition. Series is the sum of all the terms in a sequence. For the example, the first example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, called by arithmetic series. The second example, 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81, called by geometric series. For the third example, 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial, called by series of factorial case. For the third lesson, the difference between sequence and series. For this page, maybe you may read by yourself. For the last lesson, exercise. Number 1. In a city called Raccoon City, a big corporation named Umbrella ran a research project about a virus named T-virus. In that ambition project, the T-virus grows 2 times its size every 1 hour. In the first development, there were only 5 T-viruses. Count how many viruses at the 7th hour. Number 2. In a theater showroom, there were 9 rows of chairs. The front row consists of 16 chairs. The next row contains 4 more chairs than the row in front of it. How many chairs are there in the theater showroom? Answer from number 1. From that question, we know that it asks about geometric sequence. So let's search the first sequence and the difference ratio. U sub 1 same as A sub 1. A sub 1 equals 5. The difference ratio symbolized by R. R equals 2. We know the first term and the difference ratio by reading the question. So the basic formula of geometric sequence is A sub n equals A times R to the power of n minus 1. Now put the number to the basic formula. A sub 7 equals 5 times 2 to the power of 7 minus 1. A sub 7 equals 5 times 2 to the power of 6. A sub 7 equals 5 times 64. A sub 7 equals 320. So the amount of virus development in the 7th hour was 320 viruses. Now, number 2. From that question, we know that it asks about arithmetic series. So let's search the first series and the difference ratio. U sub 1 or A sub 1 equals 16. And the difference ratio symbolized by D equals 4. We know the first series and the difference ratio by reading the question. The basic formula of arithmetic series is S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity 2 times A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1, the quantity, times D, the quantity. So put the number to the basic formula. S sub 9 equals 9 over 2 times the quantity 2 times 16 plus the quantity 9 minus 1, the quantity, times 4, the quantity. S sub 9 equals 9 over 2 times the quantity 32 plus 8 times 4, the quantity. S sub 9 equals 9 over 2 times the quantity 32 plus 32 the quantity. S sub 9 equals 9 over 2 times 64. S sub 9 equals 9 times 32. S sub 9 equals 288. So, the total of chair on this theater room is 288 chairs. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for the attention. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.